In today's video, I will teach you how to turn images into a stained glass style portrait using AI. Let's get started. If you love the look of classic cathedral windows or handcrafted mosaic artwork, you'll be happy to know that you can recreate that aesthetic using AI. No artistic skills needed. Photor's AI artifact includes a beautiful stained glass style that transforms any photo into a vibrant, glass-paneled masterpiece. You can start by opening your preferred browser and visiting the Photor AI Artifacts page. You don't need to install any software, everything works online. Once you're on the page, click the Upload Image button and select an image from your computer. And make sure to choose a photo with a clear subject. Portraits, pets, landscapes, and close-up shots work especially well with stained glass effects. After your image is uploaded, look at the left side panel where all the artifact categories are listed. And here's how to find the effect. Scroll down to the avatar section, then click on the stained glass option. And Photor will automatically apply the effect and transform your photo into a colorful mosaic-style stained glass portrait. You'll notice bold color panels, dark dividing lines, and an overall handcrafted glass texture. To instantly see how the transformation looks, click the Compare button at the bottom right to toggle between the original and the stained glass version. It's a great way to evaluate details and color accuracy. And if the result isn't quite exactly what you were hoping for, click the Regenerate button on the effect's thumbnail, and each regeneration takes about 10 seconds, and every attempt gives you a slightly different artistic interpretation. So feel free to regenerate multiple times until you're happy. And if you want easy access to this effect later, you can hover over the stained glass effect thumbnail, then click the star icon to add it to your favorites. And you can find it later in the favorites section anytime you need it. And once you're satisfied with the final artwork, click download to save the image to your computer. And here are some tips for best results. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.